Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm preparing this sumptuous mackerel green vegetable stew, and on my table you can see I have everything already prepared. I have my tomatoes mixed here. In here I have pepper, habanero pepper, I have tatashe, I have onions, I have ginger, and I have garlic. That is what I blended here, and I already boiled it. So this is what we are going to be using. Then I have my vegetable oil, onions. Then this is the green veg we'll be using, green vegetable. But for this, you can use any vegetable of your choice. But most times when I'm preparing vegetable stew, I just like using these green vegetables. So I have the crayfish here, bouillon cube, seasoning, all-purpose seasoning and curry. And I have my fish seasoning because I'm going to season the fish, tomato paste, and salt. We're using mackerel fish. What I'll do now, I will season. You can see it has been thoroughly washed and cut. So I'll just season it now, then later I'll fry it. If you don't want to fry it, you can air fry it or you can grill it. So guys, let me season this fish now. Let it marinate very well before we continue. So I've just added some salt, and I'll be adding some fish seasoning. I think this will season it very well. If you have other seasoning of your choice, you can add, but this is what I'm going to use to season it. This is okay now. While it is resting, let me slice this vegetable. See, it has been thoroughly washed. So I'll just slice it because I want it to be a bit chunky. But if you want to be so small, you can chop it the way you want to chop it. So let me get my chopping board now, and then we start. So you can see the way I packed it now. You don't have to pick it one by one. Just pack it like this. Cut at the middle. Then you join both again, both sides. You can see the size I'm slicing. Because by the time it cooks, it will become so small. That's why it's not good to really chop it. So I'm going to be using it. So I'm done slicing this green veg. I'll now chop the onions. Like I always say, when you prep all your ingredients, cooking is so easy for you. In a jiffy, you are out of the kitchen. The heat is on. I just added the vegetable oil. Allow it to be hot a bit before I pour in the chopped onions. So I'm adding the chopped onions. Allow it to fry. Let it release its flavors into the oil. So guys, the onions have been frying for like 2 minutes. It's okay now. I'll now add the tomato paste and let it fry very, very well. These tomatoes have been frying for like 3 minutes, and you can see how it is looking. And the oil is so flavorful now. You can see the color of the oil. It's okay now. And I'll add in the blended tomatoes, pepper, onion, ginger, and garlic. Allow it to cook for some time. You know I've already boiled it, so it won't take so much time for it to fry again. So I'll stir it and combine everything well. Then I'll leave it to cook for like 4 minutes. So guys, this has been boiling for like 10 minutes. You know, I said I won't be cooking for long because I already boiled the tomatoes. So I'll add in my meat stock now. Then I'll add in the seasoning cube. I'll be using curry powder and all-purpose seasoning. Then I'll add in some salt and let it cook a bit. Then I'll be adding some crayfish. Then stir very well and let it combine for another 2 minutes. Yeah, see what we have here. Tomatoes is boiling and boiling. So now add in our fried fish. You can grill yours if you want to grill yours. Then I'll add in my green vegetable. You can add any vegetable of your choice. Then I'll add in some more crayfish for flavor. Then I'll stir gently so you don't break the fish. Depends on how thick you want yours, you add your water. I think I'm going to leave in this like this. And this stew can go with rice, can go with boiled plantain, boiled yam, or can go with pasta. It depends on what you want to take it with. You can go for everything. So I'll cover the pot now and let it cook down a bit. Wow, guys, see what we have here? Our vegetable stew is bubbling and bubbling and bubbling. If you haven't subscribed as you are watching this now, please subscribe. You can be following me. Thank you so very much. Keep liking the videos, keep sharing, and give this video a thumbs up, please. I don't want the vegetables to be overcooked. I just allow it to cook for like a minute, and it has reached 1 minute now. So guys, the pepper is okay, salt is okay, seasoning is okay. I'll turn off the heat and get my hot rice ready because I'm going to be taking this with hot rice. I will see you guys.